right, ladies and gents, a little cold start action for you. I know the title of the video may sound alarming, but I'm here to assure you we're not selling the S4, don't worry. There is a car local here that sparked the interest of Carson, my brother, who I'm sure you guys are familiar with on the channel. He had a 2009 C63 AMG that he owned for about 2 years, sold, made a little money on. He absolutely loved that car. Now, there is a car down here, about 20 minutes away, so we're on the way right now. He sent me the listing actually on Facebook Marketplace. And yes, it is, if you could have guessed, a Mercedes-Benz. And we are on the duty today of checking it out. I told this guy I am not the buyer. I'm not trying to waste his time. Carson's up like 4 hours away right now. So he is the one inquiring about the car. But this dude agreed to meet up today, which is nice, at like 3:30, about 20 minutes away, like I said. Hopefully this goes well. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. I really just want to take a look at the car a little more further in detail, maybe get a quick walk around. This is something that's been on Carson's mind ever since he sold the car. He loves it. It's just not a perfect like winter car. When he owned the C63, it was in college. Sorry, I was reading a text. So to commute during the winter time, we just drove my car, the S5. So it was a seasonal car for him, but now he's all graduated, he's an adult, and it wasn't practical for him to own the C63 anymore. So he sold it, but in the meantime, he's kind of kept an eye out, and this one popped up. It's a 507 edition car, and it's the updated interior. So if you guys are familiar, the 2009 and 2010 and 2011 actually all had a certain interior option, and then in 2012 to whenever this generation, the W204, ceased to exist, they had updated interior. Now this one has the update. It's a 507 edition. It's a 2015. The only downside about the car is there's an accident on the Carfax. Everything else, like price-wise, mileage, car's clean, so we're gonna just take a look and kind of see what happens. I gotta get on the highway here, so I'm gonna put my phone down. I don't know if this guy will be cool with me filming or what, but I'm gonna try and get at least a walk around of the car for both of you guys to see, and some more detailed pictures and videos, so I gotta send to Carson as well. There's like this light peppering, kind of almost hail. Really sucks if there's hail. I'm not gonna be happy because I haven't taken my car out in like 2 days. And of course now, the hour I decide to go driving, there's like little tiny pellets. You can't hear it now. Fortunately, it just stopped, but really hoping we don't get caught in a hailstorm. That would just ruin my whole day, bro. And also, I don't know what kind of tires this AMG has on it. Obviously, probably not something he's gonna want to drive out in these weather conditions. We're about to get a snowstorm here in Michigan. So in the next few hours, I expect there are gonna be some gnarly roads, some gnarly snowfall, and I guess we'll kind of take it from there. But we're a couple minutes away. See you guys when we get there. All right, I just got here. There's a blacked out F-150. Window tint is crazy. I hope this isn't his homeboy and they're gonna rob me. I don't have anything on me. I think we're good. He said he's about 2 minutes away. I cannot wait to see this car. Just playing the waiting game for the time being. There it is. That thing looks nice, bro. That thing looks clean. All right, I'm gonna pop out and talk to this guy. I like the red calipers too. That's hot. Did they all come like that?
Yeah, they come with 5%.
Oh, okay, got it. Yeah, I don't know that much about these cars. That's why I was like excited to see it.
They're dragged out here.
Like I said, I wasn't doing anything else today. Yeah, the front looks clean.
Oh yeah. Want me to pass the hood for you?
Sure. Yeah, he did a couple things to his. He did like the air boxes and the blackout side markers. He had a Rentec tune on it. That was fun. It's like 540 horsepower or whatever. Yeah, it's a clean car, man.
Sides are white, middle's Alcantara, wheels Alcantara.
This is 10 times nicer than the old interior. For sure. Shifter too? Damn,
yep.
Dude. Cool.
That's the AMG on the...
Dude, that car is clean. I didn't realize they all came with the red calipers. And obviously, since it's a 507 edition, it has the Vinyl decals on the side, man. That's such a clean car. The dude said he watches my videos, so cheers if you're watching this. Again, I'm not trying to waste your time, bro. So that was good. The car's clean. The front end damage, there's like one small gap with the kind of like fender headlight passenger side. It's not bad car overall. I'd say it's pretty darn clean. 40,000 miles. That interior combo with the Alcantara. That's nice, man. That's nice. So I got a quick walk around. It's so funny. The dude's like, I've seen your videos. Badass, brother. Cheers to that. It is cold out here. I didn't want to take up too much of his time, especially because we're not making a deal on the car today, but it was definitely worth it to go. It's about 20 to 23 minutes from my house. So not doing anything else on a Saturday. Might as well check it out. It's probably going to sell quick, man. I mean, it's a good price. It's a 507. You don't really see those. The car's clean too, like the interior. And I know Carson too, if he buys the car, he's going to like do a 17-step paint correction and ceramic coat it and all this business. We'll see. I'm going to drive home real quick and I'll rendezvous with y'all there. I'm so dumb. I completely forgot. The listing says it's a valved IPE exhaust. And I meant to get like a clip or something, like the valves working or like an exhaust clip. Completely blanked when I was there because I was just like looking around the car. It had the stock tips though, so I just messaged you guys, see if you can send a sound clip of either like the valve switching or like revs or something, because the IPE exhaust for that is not cheap, and it's a heck of a modification. It did sound really quiet though. I just reviewed the footage. It sounded like a stock exhaust when it was at idle there just sitting. So I know those cars are pretty loud stock, but it's only when you're on throttle. Like they're pretty chill otherwise, except for cold start. Cold start, they're super loud. So I'm gonna follow up with him on that and then see if we can get an exhaust clip, because again, just completely forgot. Whoops. But that was kind of just checking out that car. Again, not trying to waste his time. Carson is looking at a couple different decisions in his life right now that are gonna determine what route he goes as far as the car, and it's gonna be relatively quickly. So this one popped up. He listed it like 20 hours ago. Said he's been getting a lot of messages for it. Fingers crossed that it all works out, but could potentially be Carson's next car. So we'll see. No promises, no guarantees. If it gets, bought, if something else happens, whatever. It's nothing lost. It is a nice car and it's rare. That was a fun little Saturday activity though. Just went out and checked out a car. So appreciate you guys watching. Kind of a chill video because it's the middle of February. Nothing really to do right now. It is 28 degrees and we're getting an ice storm like I mentioned earlier in the video. So we're keeping with the weekly uploads, but there is not a lot to do here, brother. Hit the like button for the algorithm. Hit subscribe if you guys are new. We're making it work here with the content in Michigan. Cheers. Peace out. Till the next one.